What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish. Welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Today, we're going to be talking all about consolidations, breakouts, etc. So let's get right into it. Here we go. So what is a consolidation? So consolidation is when prices start to trade between a range of prices, and it looks like a sideways pattern is forming where price is just going sideways, basically. So you can see consolidation here, and you can also see it on the right hand side here as well. So spotting a breakout from consolidation, I do want to make this a little bit bigger so that you can definitely see what is going on here. So what happens is you get price deviating from a range, it moves up or down, and a bar closes outside of the range. So that's what a breakout is. A breakout is basically when you have this, make this really, really big. All right, so you can see here, these yellow arrows are showing you a false breakout because you're getting wicks that kind of break outside of this range. But you want to wait till the candle itself closes outside of this range. So you want to enter long here on this breakout when we get a confirmation candle, which is a candle that closes outside of this consolidation. And it's a big bar, it closes outside outside of the range, and then you can continue in the direction that that breakout occurred. So a breakout is basically when a candle breaks outside of the range of a group of candles. Okay, so just to keep it really basic there. So when you're trading, you probably notice that bars starting to go sideways. A good way to find a breakout is to see, hey, what candle is breaking outside of the range. And then again, I like to talk about trend bars versus non-trend bars. This is probably the first time I'm mentioning it in this trading series, or maybe second time. But trend bars are basically big bars that contribute to the direction of the trend. So you can see here marked by the oval depictions here. We have trend bars, and then non-trend bars are really small bars that just causes price action to go sideways. They don't contribute to the direction of the trend. So for instance, this is an uptrend, and these green big bars cause the uptrend to continue upward, while these small non-trend bars cause the trend to go sideways. Now, a break of structure is basically it's showing you there's weakness in the market, and it also shows that a trend is about to change. So for instance, when we're in an uptrend, all we're doing is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we're making higher highs and higher lows, but then once we get a lower high and then a lower low, that would show you that we're breaking the structure of this uptrend. Okay, so the last low was up here, and then we get something lower than that. So that would show you we're breaking structure. Now, what is a retracement? So a retracement is basically just a pullback or a moderate drop in prices of a stock. After the retracement, you can expect the stock to continue back in the upwards direction if it was in an uptrend. And then one thing that I did want to talk about, I'm probably going to make an entire video about this, but it's called a Fibonacci retracement. And a Fibonacci retracement is when you go from a low or a swing low, a low point to a high point, and then you retrace down to 50 to 61% of the way down. That is a Fibonacci retracement. It's named after the mathematician Fibonacci, who's an Italian mathematician who pretty much created like this formula for the key of life, and it was like the 0.618 ratio, and it goes all across mathematics, finance, life, and like you see it repeat. This pattern repeats in everything. So I'm going to make an entire video on Fibonacci retracements, and we will have that video coming out pretty soon. Okay, pretty soon. And then there's these breakout plays that occur typically when price moves up, comes back down to a level, it bounces off of MAs, so the moving averages, and you get these breakouts. And yeah, so that's all I have for today for consolidation, breakouts, trend, and non-trend bars. So if you guys have any questions, like I always say, drop them in the comment, and we will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for tuning in to the Fit to Flourish podcast. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and I'm out.